Racing gas is started. We have knockout bay break weekly start. King Patrick down on the inside. Joel's Choice Defiant also showing speed. Storm Gas is down on the inside. Invincible, while Bohemian Dave is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Joel's Choice in the middle portion. King Patrick Defiant moving up now on the outside to take the lead. A length further back in Ford comes Storm Gas. Knockout Babe Invincible, while Bohemian Dave is still racing and last back to the leader. We have Defiant by Oranos. Down on the inside is Joel's Choice. Storm Gas is racing in third, running by the rail. Knockout Babe, King Patrick, Bohemian Dave, while Invincible now racing in last inside the last 400. We have Defiant, this time by about 2 lengths. And in second is Storm Gas, running by the release Joel's Choice. And as they swing for home, we have Defiant, this time by about 3 lengths. Storm Gas in second, Joel's Choice with about 100 meters of the race. Another one for Jack and Kelvin. Bete Abobo, this time on Defiant. Storm Gas. Then comes number 7, the Bohemian Dave, Joel's Choice, King Patrick.